The main purpose of this video is to present to you, the viewers and audience, the importance of establishing ferry and barge routes and constructing at least 25 terminals or landing facilities along 5 main rivers in Anambra State and other southeastern states of Nigeria. The 5 main rivers in Anambra State that I am proposing the building of 25 terminals and or landing facilities for ferry and or barge operations are: 1. River Niger. 2. Anambra River. 3. Ezichi River. 4. Isu River. 5. Oswakwa or Orasi River. Oswakwa is actually part of Orasi River. Looking at the Google map that I have created for this presentation, I identified and created 9 ferry and or barge terminals or landing facilities along the Anambra shores of River Niger. Also, I identified and created 7 ferry routes and or barge terminals or landing facility along the Anambra shores of Anambra River. Moreover, I identified and created 2 ferry and or barge terminal or landing facility along the shores of Ezichi River within Anambra State. And I identified and created 2 ferry and or barge terminals or landing facilities along the shores of Izu River within Anambra State. Furthermore, I identified and created 5 ferry and or barge terminals or landing facilities along Anambra State shores of Oswakwa or Orasi River. Note that River Niger, Anambra River, Ezichi River, and Isu River are connected together. In other words, they are tributaries of Gulf of Guinea and South Atlantic Ocean. That means that the water actually coming from River Niger, Anambra River, Ezichi River, and Isu River flow directly to Atlantic Ocean, in this case, the southern part of Atlantic Ocean. However, Orasi River flows directly into the Bight of Bonny, which is originally known as Bight of Biafra, and then flows directly into Atlantic Ocean. Ferry service is any public transportation system conducted on or across the waters or rivers or any river tributary or any terminal or landing facility in Anambra State, Nigeria. Ferries services can transport passengers, goods, and cars across different ferry routes, depending on the needs of the residents and business owners of each location. Barge services should be permitted to convey containers, trucks, tanks, vehicles, and equipment to terminals, landing facilities, and ports within and outside Anambra State and beyond. Ferry services could be established through a private-public concession contract, and ensuring that the entire concession agreement process must reflect utmost transparency. The funding for buying and refurbishing ferries and buildings and terminals and rehabilitating the terminal itself and the maintenance of facilities should be part of this agreement. Also, dredging and clearing of trash and debris on the ferry or barge route as required should be considered and made part of this agreement. I hereby encourage the leadership of Anambra State and other southeastern states to form a steering committee to oversee and support the creation of ferry and barge services in the state, in each of their states. The steering committee must provide guidance, recommendations, and leadership to drive the successful development of ferry and barge system project in Anambra State and beyond. The state government should provide the necessary assistance to ensure that ferries and barges must be built in Anambra State or any other southeastern state of Nigeria. Both public and private entities should be allowed to operate both ferry and barge services. Private entities should be permitted to build and maintain terminals and landing facilities. In summary, creating and establishing ferry and barge transportation network in Anambra State and other southeastern states would enable movement of people from various parts of each of the states to another through the waterways efficiently and effectively. It will create job, huge one, and business opportunity for the residents and businesses. It will be a major tax return for the state. It will increase the GDP, gross domestic product, and IGR, internally generated revenue for each of the states. It will surpass Agon Lake as a tourist center to foreigners, non-indigenous and indigenous, thereby marketing Anambra State tourism worldwide. I will be presenting future videos on the planning, design, and construction of each of these ferry and or barge terminals or landing facilities. Please subscribe to this channel so that you will be automatically notified of the new videos. Please continue to watch the video. Thanks for watching and sharing and subscribing. Bye for now.
Let's go.